Good morning, another day, another hike in the Smoky Mountains. Today we are in Tennessee, kind of close to the Cades Cove area, working on finishing up a short section of Schoolhouse Gap for our 900-mile maps. While we're out there, we're going to check out the Whiteoak Sinks. It's not an official park trail, but a sinkhole area of the park. It's real cool for wildflowers. And there's a cave out there that has a waterfall that kind of flow into the cave. Supposed to be pretty cool. Been kind of cold outside, unusually cold for the time of the season, so hopefully the flowers are still out there and the frost that they had last night didn't kill everything, but I guess we'll find out. Here we go. Trailhead marker time. Got turkey pen. Heading off this way. What we're doing is we're taking Schoolhouse up that way. All right, and probably 100 feet or so past that trailhead marker is the entrance to the Whiteoak Sinks. I head through this fencing and go check it out. Very green through here. Beautiful waterfall here in the Whiteoak Sinks area, dropping down into a cave down below. Very unique here for the Smoky Mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. Very cool, unique area through here for sure. Here you got the entrance to another cave here. It's a protected bat habitat. Pretty neat. Gorgeous area here with some huge rocks. Alright, the Whiteoak Sinks portion is all done. Very pretty, unique area down there. Talked to some people that said we're about a month or at least a couple weeks early to get the wildflowers, but we saw a few. That waterfall down there was incredible. Really cool experience, very unique area. Definitely going to go back again. Here we found snacks in her natural environment. Okay, trailhead marker time. Here we got Chestnut Top down around here. Here we got Schoolhouse Gap. Looks like we got another 2/10 of a mile that way to finish up the trail. I'm probably gonna stop here, eat lunch, especially when somebody looks like they built us a seat. Gotta take advantage of that, right? Sure, we got a view of Scott Mountain peeking through the trees. All right. Finished up Schoolhouse Gap. All right, that's a wrap. Schoolhouse Gap to Whiteoak Sinks. Beautiful day out on the trail. Like we said before, it'd be great to come back and check out the Whiteoak Sinks when the flowers are in their peak bloom. Very unique area though, really loved it down there, but I can't imagine how cool it would be with the flowers really blooming. That waterfall was awesome, and we're able to finish up Schoolhouse Gap for our 900-mile maps. So overall, good day. We'll see you next time.